Hello everyone, this is Qingfeng Yuan. Today, I'm so excited to have you participate in this major launch of our latest high-power battery. Recently, we can see that cordless power tools have rapidly developed and entered millions of households. The fast development of cordless power tools also poses higher requirements on batteries, especially the high power performance. The key is how to solve the problems of battery shutdown due to the high temperature rise in the discharge process. Through continuous innovation, Ampace adopts a unique tap structure designed to greatly decrease the internal resistance of the battery, thereby reducing the heat generation during the high-rate discharge process. In March 2024, based on this cell structure innovation, we were pleased to introduce the Jumbo Power series and the first cylindrical product of our JP family, JP30. It has achieved a comprehensive leap in many aspects, such as high power, long life, wide temperature range, ultra-fast charge, and high energy density. JP30 received an unexpectedly good market response on its debut. Customer demand is very strong, and our production line keeps running at full capacity and loading. In only just 6 months, it has been widely applied in multiple power tool applications and recognized by global customers and different social media. This amazing achievement not only encourages us very much, but more importantly, makes our top-tier customers feel satisfied. In addition to being happy, we are also thinking, can we do more and create more value for our customer? Beyond 21700 cylindrical cells, we can also make it in 8650. Today, we are thrilled to introduce the new member of our JP series, today's superstar, JP30 cylindrical battery. JP30, as a new member of our JP family, is designed to solve all the power problems in 8650. Compared with JP40, it has the same excellent performance in ultra high-rate discharge, but is more compact. It will be your future perfect option for power tools, especially for some sophisticated and tough applications. JP30 working non-stop, compact, and more powerful. Next, let us explore why JP30 contains such a powerful energy in its very compact body. Inheriting the good design of JP40, JP30 has shown unparalleled performance compared with traditional tap structure design. It can support continuous discharge current up to 36 amp without temperature cutoff, 100% increasement compared with that tap cell. In addition, the energy density increased by 20%, from 2.5 ampere-hour to 3 ampere-hour, with more super power and capacity. JP30 empowers power tools with more powerful energy and longer running time. Let me share some feedbacks from our top-tier customers. Previously, industrial and professional tool application scenarios were dominated by petrol-powered tools. Such tools have several obvious pain points. First, they are not environmental friendly. Second, petrol is not good for people's health. And finally, they are bulky for outdoor operations. Therefore, people turn to battery-powered tools. However, these tools frequently pause during operation due to not enough instantaneous power caused by discharge current limit in 8650. For example, a chainsaw often stops midway when sawing a tree. Such kind of sudden stops not only decrease operation efficiency, but even threatens the worker's safety sometimes. For a long time, it was generally believed that 8650 batteries had reached their power limit. However, the birth of JP30 has completely changed the situation. Our JP30's power density exceeded 2,100 watts per kilogram, much higher than that of the traditional 8650 products. With the same capacity in the market, they can only achieve 1,000 watts per kilogram. On the one hand, JP30 supports 5 minutes with 36 amps continuous discharge, 100% depth, and 140 pulse discharge current for 5 seconds. Our JP30 shows its ultimate dynamic performance. It not only doubles the efficiency of the operation, but also is small, which greatly improves the convenience of outdoor operations. Small but very strong. This is the revolutionary change that JP30 has brought us. We also have some insights into how to further reduce the initial battery buying cost. In traditional type structure 8650, workers need to carry a large number of batteries for the sake of outdoor work efficiency. In addition, charging is also a headache. To some extent, these factors might slow down the power tool electrification. JP30's compact and powerful design results from our comprehensive innovation in both tablet cell structure and chemical system design. In terms of cathode material, we continue to apply the ultra-high nickel material, achieving higher specific capacity. To better balance high power and high safety, we adopt unique surface coating and doping technology. It helps to ensure the surface and structural stability even under the highly dilated state. Furthermore, a new cathode electrode structure is built with an efficient electronic and ionic network to support ultra-fast charging and discharging process. In order to prolong the power tool's running time, JP30 uses a more advanced silicon carbon composite, with a nano-sized silicon as the core, surrounded by the fast ionic conductor network to keep good conductivity. Regarding the outside layer, we adopt a dual coating with carbon and fast ionic conductor to further improve the conductivity, thereby effectively resisting electrolyte corrosion. To improve battery charging speed, JP30 adopts fast charging graphite to reduce the resistance. In the JP30 design, the graphite surface covering layer looks thinner and more uniform. It's about only 10 nanometer. That is half of the common graphite. In JP30, our design adopts a high kinetics electrolyte to form a stable SEI film, more favorable in kinetics. Lower charge transfer resistance is good for fast charging and high-rate discharging performance. In conclusion, based on the material and cell structure innovation, JP30 has achieved a comprehensive leap in following aspects: super power, high energy density, and efficient fast charging, and so on. Next, let's dive into more details about the performance. In terms of power, JP30 can support continuous discharge current with 36 amp. No temperature protection triggered. That means JP30 can release all its energy. No concern about being interrupted anymore. Even in some tough working conditions, our JP30 battery can even support 140 amp pulse discharge within 5 seconds. Definitely, this will bring a much smoother running operation experience like steel cutting or concrete ground drilling scenarios. In terms of capacity, we firstly achieved 3 ampere-hour in power type 18650, almost 20% energy boost. Let's take cost cleaning as an example. With our JP30 battery, tool usage time can be prolonged by 20%, providing a better end-user experience. Regarding the battery life, JP30 cycles can go beyond 600 cycles with condition of 9 amp charge and 30 amp discharge, tripling that of tablet structure 8650 cells. In addition, it can exceed 1000 cycles with the condition of 6 amp charge and 20 amp discharge, effectively reducing the cost per single use during the whole life cycle. Regarding the charging speed, JP30 also supports fast charging mode, achieving 80% SOC in just 10 minutes, saving 60% of charging time compared with conventional ones. So there is no need to carry multiple spare batteries for outdoor work. 2 or 3 batteries are enough. How about the low temperature behavior? Our JP30 extends the application limit to minus 40 degrees C. Now, let's take a look at the JP30 power performance through a set of real data from Ampace lab. First, let's make analysis about the temperature rise during high power discharge process. The temperature rise with JP30 is 50% reduction compared with that of tap structure. Low temperature means that JP30 can support even higher power output with no concern about system shutdown warning. Based on internal real lab data, JP30 cell can support 80% increase in max discharge current if compared with tap structure 8650. In power tool applications, temperature rise control means a lot. Low temperature rise not only helps extend the battery life, but also prevents the battery from shutting down on reaching the cutoff temperature, bringing much smoother running operation. In addition, the battery can be recharged soon after a high current discharge, minimizing the downtime of power tools. Another important index is the pulse discharge capability. The pulse level of ultra-high power discharge might be very critical for some situational scenario. For instance, when the thickness of a wooden board is uneven or there are knots. This kind of cutting requires a particularly large instant discharge current. In this case, the key point here is to optimize the battery voltage drop under ultra-high power pulse conditions. When there is a momentary large current, if the cell polarization is large, the voltage will pull down rapidly, such as down to 2.5 volts or 2 volts. If the voltage is pulled down and the output power required for the system is very large at this time, the current will be pulled up instantaneously. If the current reaches the protection current of the motor will stop, which will definitely affect workers' operation and efficiency. As shown in this figure, JP30 has a smaller voltage drop under ultra-high power pulse, which means it can better support high pulse discharge and is less likely to pause. Third, the low temperature discharge performance, as shown in this figure, JP30 can support the tools working with 12C discharge even at minus 20 degrees C, while traditional 8650 only support 8C discharge. Last but not least, the cycle performance. From this chart, we can see that JP30 keeps 91% capacity retention over after 500 cycles, with the condition of 6 amp charge and 36 amp discharge. Meanwhile, the impedance increase is no more than 1 milliohm. Amazing. Furthermore, low temperature rise is also good for the battery life cycles. The powerful performance of JP30 is based on Ampace's safe and reliable lithium battery technology. With more than 20 years of accumulation and profound accomplishment in lithium R&D and manufacturing, Ampace has already built up a good system to ensure the safety, reliability, and quality. JP30 has passed all related regulation tests and obtained various global certifications. Well balanced the ultimate performance, the ultra safety, and reliability. Thank you all once again for joining us to witness the launch of JP30. In the near future, the JP family will open more new exciting members. By diversifying the product lineup, Ampace aims to provide better products and bring more values to our customers. Upholding our pursuit of technological innovation, these new products will drive the power tool industry forward. We hope that you will join and experience those upcoming exciting journeys together. Ampace is always pursuing the ultimate performance, safety, reliability, and user experience. Moving forward, Ampace will continue to work with our global partners to empower a better life with green energy solutions. We look forward to sharing more innovative technologies with you in the near future. Let's work with JP30 to unleash the potential of power tools. JP30, working non-stop, compact and powerful. Thank you for your time and wish you a pleasant day.
Ampace. Power your life.